Hello everybody, so today we are going to unbox the all new OnePlus 7T. Welcome to my channel and let's start. This is Tech Bits. So here are some quick specs and some quick features of the OnePlus 7T at the back with the Qualcomm Snapdragon 855 Plus and a 90Hz refresh rate. So let's unbox the phone. And it comes in a beautiful red box. First you can see maybe some paperwork from OnePlus, and beneath that is the OnePlus 7T itself. So we'll first take a look at the paperwork. So here we have some quick start guides as well as some stickers from OnePlus, some other paperwork as well. The OnePlus 7 stickers. There's the invitation letter from OnePlus, and there's some paperwork over here. So let's get back to the phone. So the OnePlus 7T, the variant I have over here is the 8GB plus 256GB variant. And it's also available in 8 plus 128GB. We'll keep that aside for a moment, but this one is the 8 plus 256GB, and you can only get this one in this color. The other one you can get in blue and black as well. There's the pin, and here's a clear case for the OnePlus 7T, and there's some cool thing for you guys, the Warp Charge 30. This is really special. I mean, OnePlus has done some serious upgrading on the Warp Charge 30 this time. The OnePlus 7T, OnePlus claims that you can charge a OnePlus 7T up to 70 or 75% in just 30 minutes. I mean, that's amazing. And this is the charging cable. From OnePlus, actually, it's always that you expect something of premium quality in a good price. I mean, you get the value for money. So now let's keep these things to the side and let's get back to show business. And there's the OnePlus 7T in the blue color, and let's remove the thing. And this is, I mean, the first impression, this is really beautiful flagship phone, and you get that glossy finish at the back, and the triple rear camera setup with 48, 12 and 16 megapixel cameras each. So that is amazing. And let's boot it up right now. The screen is amazing, 6.55 inches of screen, and powered by Android. It's based on Oxygen OS, which the new Oxygen OS, which is based on Android 10. That's amazing. Let's just put up the clear case, as that camera, scares me a little bit, but that camera quality is amazing. So I've used it for a while right now, and here is the volume rocker and a button to silent your phone. On the right hand side there's nothing actually, it's all clear. The bottom we have the SIM tray, the Type-C battery plug and a speaker, and we miss our 3.5mm headphone jack, but it's not there. So I booted it up, and this is pretty fast, and here I'm trying some games like PUBG, and I mean, it's really smooth gameplay on for PUBG especially. You can play it on HDR graphics, and some smooth gameplay that you will get thanks to the Snapdragon 855 Plus fitted inside, and it's preset to high graphics. So it's a great experience on playing games. If you're someone who plays a lot of games on the phone, it's a great phone choice for you. And a really smooth and responsive screen. So let's open the cameras right now. This phone, I would like to tell you guys, has a really incredible super macro mode, and another mode for videos which I really liked and found helpful for those people who really make videos is the super stable mode, and the nightscape is amazing as well. So OnePlus has done serious upgrade from OnePlus 7 to OnePlus 7T in terms of cameras, if you see, as well as the processor and the 90Hz refresh rate. So there are three great points why you can spend that extra on the OnePlus 7T. Well, you can get it on Amazon for 39,999, the 8 GB plus 256 GB, and 37,999 for the 8 GB plus 128 GB, the OnePlus 7T. Though if you're looking for a phone with high performance but you're not the person who wants to go for the best specs, I think you can try OnePlus 7 as well. And the super macro mode allows you to take really detailed pictures, and I'm very satisfied with this thing. You can just zoom in and it's so much gets into the detail. So thank you, and please like and share the video and subscribe to my channel. Thank you very much.